Hello! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Mr. Jovenal Narcisse on your Cotton, Leather and Others YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm going to unbox again some items that I've ordered online last month. And the story of this item goes like this. So last month, as I was browsing on the internet, I visited the Berkeley Supply Store. This is a store, one of my favorites, which is based in Denver, Colorado. And I was surprised to see two items that are 50% off. So immediately I went to these items and I found out that these items are the same with my size. And these items are from Ironheart. So I was surprised and immediately I bought these two items. So we're going to unbox these items as usual. They came all the way from Los Angeles, California through my forwarder, which is the Johnny Air Cargo. And in a matter of few days, less than 2 weeks, they arrived here in Metro Manila and I was able to pick them up. So this is the Berkeley Supply Store from Denver, Colorado. I bought some boots also from them and some items from Ironheart. So okay, first we have this Chief Petty Officer shirt. I forgot already the model number, but this is a very nice color. This is brown olive, and of course since it is no, this is a Western shirt. I thought it is a CPO shirt. So I made a mistake. But still, this particular shirt costs a lot of money and I got it for 50%. This is size medium. And it has some snap buttons. You have the Western Duke on the shoulder and at the back. We're going to wear this. Okay. Lumayo pa. The fabric of this Western shirt is whipcord. And it is colored olive brown. This item is this white pants from Ironheart. And the size of this is size 32, and the inseam is 36. And we have the tab here. This is the 777 or 77 cut in white denim. So I got this for 50% off.